Hello to my friends and all the people subscribes in my channel. I am very careful here kasi my son is watching the TV. Anyhow, I would like to say happy birthday to Nelda. Nelda, siya yung nagpapalo sa akin. Hanggang ngayon, doon nasa Reels ako. Ngayon ay nasa YouTube na ako. So, still there. Happy birthday sa iyo, Nelda. And I'm wishing for your happy birthday. And please, everyone, if you have some friends and family, you can talk to them. You can ask them if you can subscribe for me and my YouTube channel, Ruti Peters. So, the more subscribe, the more is better. So I can help more people on the Philippines. Like right now, today, my treasurer is giving away some 3 kilos rice so I can help some people in the Philippines. They're really poor people there and they need my help, and also they subscribe for me, just being thank you for them. And thank you very much, and good morning.